In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Asana Portfolios. If you manage multiple projects and want a single place to see progress, timing, and team capacity, portfolios are the easiest way to stay on top of everything without constantly hopping between project pages. Start by opening Asana and heading to your home view. On the left sidebar, find and select Portfolios. This area is your hub for high-level oversight. If you don't see it right away, scroll the sidebar or expand sections until Portfolios appears. Next, create a new portfolio. Click New Portfolio, then give it a clear descriptive name. Choose something that instantly tells your team what's inside, like a department, a client, or a quarter, so it's easy to find later. A short naming convention, such as including dates or a team tag, can make your workspace more organized as you scale. Now set the privacy. Decide who should have access. Keep it restricted if the work is confidential, or open it to the relevant team if transparency will help collaboration. You can always adjust privacy later if the audience changes. Before finishing setup, choose the default view. Click Default View and pick how you want the portfolio to open by default. List is perfect for a concise summary. You'll see each project with status, owner, due dates, and key custom fields in a neat table. Timeline provides a Gantt-style overview across projects, ideal for spotting overlaps or gaps and understanding how schedules line up. Workload focuses on team capacity. It's great when you want to see who is over or under assigned across projects. It works best when tasks have assignees and effort data, but you can still use it to get a quick sense of distribution. Click Continue to finalize the setup. Now, start adding projects. Use the search to find existing projects or pick from recent ones. Add only what belongs in this portfolio to keep the signal strong and noise low. Then share with teammates so the right people stay informed. Invite collaborators and, if needed, limit edit permissions to keep data clean. When you're ready, go to the portfolio. From here, you can switch between list, timeline, workload, and dashboard. Use filters and sorting to highlight what matters most, like at-risk projects or upcoming deadlines. As work evolves, update statuses and owners so the portfolio remains a reliable source of truth. That's it. Your portfolio is ready to give you clarity across all your projects in one place.